Hello guys, and room reveal muna tayo and review dito sa Grace Select Hotel located at Shanghai. So when you go inside, you will see this very spacious hotel room, no? For a price of 2,000 pesos, no? So ang bubungad sa inyo on the left side of this room is the hanger. So you can hang your clothes here. So very spacious, your luggage area as well. Then a very big sink, you can do your hygiene thing, and then mirror, and you also have a blower and to hand wash towel. And then when you go here naman sa right side, you will see your bathroom. So very big toilet bowl, two towels, and then shower area, tapos yung mga amenities mo for your shower. Then here you have two beds, so laki yan na hindi yan naka fisheye lens. Tapos mapapansin nyo, you have a telephone here, tapos free na dalawang room sleepers, no? Then you have here a very big watching area, so TV yan. You have also your personal desk for your, if you're working here, tapos chair, tapos if you're just chilling, no? Here is your area, so one table na mini, and then your chair as well. Tapos ang view mo sa labas will be this one, in front of the highway. So hindi na masama, no? 2,000 pesos tapos ganito na kalaki yung room mo. So saan ka pa? Kaya pag nandito kayo sa Shanghai, consider Grace Select Hotel para sa iyong staycation or titiran nyo rito sa Shanghai while you're doing your personal tour. Also, included na po rito yung breakfast. So I'll show you kung ano yung mga inclusions at saka ano yung makikita nyo and expect nyo sa breakfast. Okay? So that's all for today, guys. And see you on our Disney Shanghai in a while. Pero magbe-breakfast muna tayo. So, lalabas muna tayo and let's enjoy our breakfast. So, marami tayong time. So, here is your beverages. So, you have juice, you have healthy, you have your milk, no? Then cereal as well. You also have here pastries, main dish, no? So, mga vegetable ata. Vegetable. This one, I don't know. Probably broccoli and pork. Tapos pork, sausage, you have noodles, you have fried rice, another vegetable ata, mga wet vegetable, tapos steam, carrots, then ube, mais, tapos mga buns, eggs, and then I don't know this one, vegetable daw. And then mga congee. Small or congee. Tapos here is your area wherein you can act lang if you would like to do your own congee or soup, no? So yan yung mga options. You have noodles, you have parang spaghetti noodles yan. Tapos ito yung mga mixtures niya. So basically this is your dining area for your breakfast. So di ba? Hindi na masama. Malaki na siya.
We are here outside the Grace Select Hotel Shanghai. Check out this clean and classy entrance. Very welcoming agad. Tara, pasok tayo. And wow, look at this lobby. Modern, spacious, and super aesthetic. Parang sarap magstay longer. If you're planning to visit Shanghai soon, this is a solid choice. Imagine around 2,000 pesos lang. But you already get comfort, style, and great location. Sulit na sulit for your trip.
That Kenji, yes. Oh, you're the best. The first time
Alright guys, we are now here inside the Shanghai Disneyland. Pero ayun na nga, grabe yung ulan, as in buhos talaga. Buti na lang nakabili kami ng enough umbrellas for all of us. Very prepared yung team. For now, dito muna kami sa covered area. Chill lang, waiting for the rain to slow down. Ganito talaga pag travel, kahit maulan tuloy pa rin ang adventure. Finally, inside the Shanghai Disneyland. Kahit maulan, sobrang magical pa rin. Let's explore, enjoy lang every moment, rain or shine.
Ito tayo ng Pirates of the Caribbean. As per checking doon sa Disney app, it's 35 minutes lang yung queue time, waiting time. So hopefully, makasakay tayo agad. Ganda kasi it's raining, so wala masyado pumunta. I don't know kung may habol pa, but yeah. And also it's a Friday. So let's see. Hello guys, and we are here at the first stop for our ride here in Disney Shanghai. So that will be the Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay? Sige, tara, pasok na tayo.
Naka-line up na kami for the Pirates of the Caribbean. Grabe ang haba ng pila pero sabi nila, one of the best rides here so worth it talaga. Habang naglalakad kami papasok, napapansin nyo ba? Ang ganda ng setup, super detailed from the walls to the lighting. Parang nasa totoong pirate world ka na. Kahit di pa nagsisimula yung ride, experience na agad siya.
Dito pareho sila.
Sobrang solid itong Pirates of the Caribbean. Worth the wait. Next, early lunch muna kami. Sorry guys, bawal mag-video inside. Pero try namin kumuha ng ilang clips. Ito na naman tayo, main character energy sa harap ng Enchanted Storybook Castle. Paulit-ulit na video, iba-ibang angle, hanggang makakuha tayo ng perfect shot na parang ako may-ari ng Disneyland. Sakto, naabutan namin yung afternoon parade here sa Shanghai Disneyland. Makikita mo talaga yung effort, colorful floats, detailed costumes, and yung favorite Disney character. All in one show. Ang lively na music, sobrang nakaka-good vibes. And kahit umuulan pa, tuloy lang. The show must go on. Walang paawat si Disney, kaya kami rin, enjoy lang despite the rain. Ngayon, papasok na kami dito sa Marvel Universe Pavilion dito sa Shanghai, Disneyland. Sobrang exciting kasi this is where all things Marvel comes to life. From displays, interactive spots, to the team experiences na parang ikaw mismo ay part ng Avengers world. Makikita mo agad pagpasok pa lang, very high-tech yung setup para movie set talaga. If you're a Marvel fan, this is definitely a must-visit spot. Ibang level yung immersion dito.
Hello guys and welcome back. So our second tourist attraction here sa Disney Shanghai will be the Marvel Universe. So here, as you can see, mayroong interaction games dito. And then also yung mga Iron Man mark, no, na suit ni Tony Stark, and also yung mga clips ng video. So there's a lot of activities here sa Marvel Universe Shanghai, Disney Shanghai, and I will say na this is good for mga fanatic ng Marvel. So maraming interaction dito na games that you could enjoy, no? And then on top of that, mayroon din ditong Marvel Universe shop, no? So where you can buy a lot of Marvel stuff here. So yeah, don't forget to visit this one, lalo-lalo na kapag fan ka ng Marvel. Okay? Hello guys! Papunta tayo sa castle ngayon cause we're gonna try the attraction wherein yung pagsa-storytelling ng kwento ni Snow White. So come with me as we go to our third tourist attraction, which is the Snow White Castle. Okay?
Ngayon, papasok na kami dito sa Snow White Grotto dito sa Shanghai Disneyland. Isa to sa classic attractions kung saan makikita mo yung storytelling ng Snow White. Parang step by step na buhay yung fairy tale with detailed scenes and characters na super nostalgic and magical. Hindi siya thrill ride pero more on experience and visuals, perfect for taking in the Disney magic up close.
跟随着那一缕仙尘，沿着公主的悬吊。
Paakit na kami ng stairs papunta sa Snow White Grotto. And honestly, habang umaakit pa lang, grabe na agad yung vibe. Parang ang sarap lang maglakad slowly kasi ramdam mo talaga yung Disney magic habang papalapit sa Magic Mirror.
现在呢，由我来召唤。
名叫白雪公主，她只有一个愿望，找到真爱。但是王后妒忌她的美貌，她用她的黑暗魔法阻拦。在最黑暗的时候，白雪公主需要找到可以信赖的朋友，您也许就是其中之一。来吧，走。
蜘蛛网，蟒蛇之皮，巨鼠的眼珠。看来我得亲自动手了。不过首先我得瞧出礼物，一个诱人的苹果。
Story.
Labas na kami sa Snow White Grotto. Quick feedback lang. Super magical yung experience. Short but very detailed yung story scenes. Parang buhay na buhay yung fairy tale. Worth it talaga kahit quick walkthrough lang.
Pagkatapos lang namin ng Snow White Castle, still raining, so nakakatatlo pa lang tayo. And the bad thing is 4 PM na. Hirap talaga i-manage yung time, lalo na kapag ganitong umulan. Because aside from maulan, medyo haba din yung queue per attraction. So unexpected siya because it's Friday. So don't know lang. Baka usual things talaga na ganito sa Disney Shanghai, na kapag weekdays medyo full pack. Compare naman siguro sa sa weekends, no? So yeah. Hello guys, and we are here at our 4 tourist attraction spot here sa Disney Shanghai, which is the Peter Pan. So ito na, sasakay na kami. So I'll give you a overview later, okay? Papakita ko sa inyo mga shots. Hello guys, welcome back. We are here at the 5th tourist ride here at the Disneyland Shanghai, which is the Voyage to the Crystal Grotto. Okay, so tara, I'll show you some clips. No rides na. So let's try this one if we enjoy that. Hopefully, mag-enjoy naman bro.
Guys, naka-line up na kami dito sa Voyage to the Crystal Grotto here in Shanghai Disneyland. Sabi nila, isa to sa pinaka-magical at pinaka-relaxing rides dito. Slow boat ride siya na dadaanan mo ang iba't ibang Disney stories and scenes. Super calming lang ng vibe habang nagbo-boat ka. Perfect siya pampahinga after walking around all day. Kaya excited na kami to experience the magic from the water. Alright guys, ito na yung bus namin pa airport here in Shanghai. Last day feels na talaga. Grabe, 6 day went by so fast. From city tours to exploring Wuxi hanggang sa unforgettable experience sa Shanghai Disneyland. But before we head home, dadaan muna kami sa Florencia Village. Quick outlet shop for last minute shopping.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now, this is our last day, no? So as you can see, this will be our first and last stop before tayo bumalik ng Manila because connecting tayo going to Shenzhen, then Shenzhen to Manila. So yun. Anyway, we are here at the Florencia Village or yung tinatawag nilang outlet store, no? This is located at Pudong, no, area, which is parang several minutes away lang sa Pudong International Airport. So as you can see, parang it gives you Venice style na mall, which is parang European yung mga structure ng building, but quick trivia lang. So yung mga native dito, yung mga local, this place known as to be the outlet. So they call this one outlet, no? For the simple reason, nandito yung mga outlet stores, no? So aside from outlet stores na makikita nyo rito, there are several stores here na nag-o-offer ng cheapest items nila, no? So cheapest items dito lang makikita yan sa outlet stores. Also they are offering free tax, no? So may tax refund, no? So all you have to do is to go to the nearest customer service desk and present your passport, no? Then after that, they will give you a receipt, which is ipapakita nyo sa airport, tapos doon nyo makukuha yung tax refund nyo. So kayo guys, if you are here near Pudong, no, so please visit this one because they're offering good discount as well. So on top of the tax refund, magaganda rin yung mga deals dito. So yeah, don't forget to visit Florencia Village, located at the Pudong area. Okay? Yeah. So tara, I'll show you some clips ng Florencia, and then papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga expected outlet na makikita nyo dito.
Walking around here sa Florencia Village and look at this fountain. Tip ko lang guys, if you're visiting places like this, make sure to maximize your time. Kuha kayo ng maraming pictures and videos habang nandito kayo. Kasi honestly, this moment won't come back. So sulitin nyo na while you're here. Travel memories hit different pag nag-capture nyo na lahat.
Try natin silipin yung loob ng New Balance. Tax refund naman, so baka kaya pa ng budget. Or siguro mamaya mag-coffee kami dito sa Starbucks kung wala kami mabili. But definitely this area is like yung nagka-trending ngayon sa Nagoya. I forgot the place. So tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda, di ba? Daming outlet dito. Even yung MLB they have here for kids. They also have here Michael Kors. I'm looking at right now New Balance. No, nakita rin natin kanina Adidas. Nakita ko rin dito yung Boss, Bossy. Marami dito. Tapos yung mga bags banda dun sa may west side. So this one is the east side ng Florencia Village. So tara, pasok tayo sa New Balance. So So, ang dami nilang stock dito. Sige, maghanap lang ako.
Grabe, sobrang laki nitong New Balance store dito sa Florencia Village. Mas bigger pa than Taiwan and Korea. And ang daming shoes to choose from. Parang di ka mauubusan ng options.
Siguro ito yung bili na lang natin, guys. This one, the 1906R.
Dito ko lang siya nakita. Wala akong nakitang ganito sa Tokyo and then sa Taiwan. So ito yung napili ko. the 1906 R na New Balance. Let's try this one. Yeah, it's good. I'll buy this one lang because walang ganito sa Japan sa Taiwan. So, it's good na they have it here. The 1906 R.
然后满足了。
Nabili na natin guys. Hindi pa tayo sa mga outlet. Butas ang bulsa. Pero tingin naman tayo dito na outlet na nagbebenta naman ng mga magagandang damit. Ganun pa, wala kaming back ng Florencia. Ayun, meron naman dito mga nakasulat. Siguro check namin yung Fila or Adidas. So, nandito pa din tayo sa Florencia. Naghahanap na lang tayo na mabibilan natin ng damit. Pasalubong ko doon sa kapatid ko. Okay, para magaganda rito. Check ko na lang sa may oxygen pala dito. Ito, may oxygen. Check ko na lang doon. Hindi na kami tumuloy doon sa sinabi ko sa inyo oxygen. Hindi pala siya oxygen, no? Yung symbol niya lang parang similar lang sa oxygen pero hindi siya totally oxygen. It's GXG. So, hopefully may makita tayo ditong budget ko lang kasi ito talaga sa pasalubong is 1.5. So sana makahanap tayo na. Mainit-init pa yung panahon. Try natin pumasok dito sa isang stall. This one. Parang wala rin tayo makita dito mga shirt. So negative. We'll try to look for another sets of shorts here sa side na rin. Hindi na siya mahal pero out of the budget kasi ito ba sila mga discounted dito? So even ito, diba? It's 2,299 yuan, Chinese yuan. Medyo mahal siya. So, may discount. We are now here at Adidas and you're looking at shirts. These are discounted naman pero kailangan mong kumuha ng tatlo eh. So, saka ka makakabili ng discount. I think we'll find na lang another outlet store. Pwede natin mapagbilihan ng budget natin is 1.5. Okay? So tapos na tayo mamili. May nabili tayo sa Converse. So yun yung pasalubong sa brother ko. Hindi ko na nakuha na ng video because pinahinto na yung camera. No camera allowed. So hindi ko na nakuha na ng video because no cameras allowed daw. So just respect their policy and at least diba, nakabili tayo. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, mag-apply na tayo ng
tax refund discount. Tax refund, sorry. So yun. Tapos sa airport na natin ata makukuha yung tax refund. Hopefully, lahat naman
Here. Okay. Passport and then the receipt, right? Yep. Hold on.
他应该不会上上推这个，他自己拿着这个拍的，我都不知道他有没有关掉，还没有关。
So we're just applying for a tax refund here sa customer service area ng Florencia Village. Hopefully, ma-apply na lahat.
Come, I can be your tour guide again. You call the travel agency. Tell me which group you joined before, and then tell them we want the honor. I will try my best to come back to meet you again. Okay, thank you so much. And also, I'd like to teach you the Chinese.
Hello guys, and welcome back. So right now, we are here at the Pudong Shanghai International Airport wherein naghihintay na lang tayo ng ating boarding time. So originally, ang boarding time natin will be 5 p.m. since ang flight namin going to Shenzhen is 5:45. But for some reason, siguro dahil consistently masama ang panahon dito sa Shanghai, nagkaroon ng delay. No? So instead of 5:45, magiging 7:45 na ang aming departure going to Shenzhen. The problem is na kikita namin for now is our flight to Manila. So basically, it's a connecting flight tong going to Shenzhen. So Shanghai to Shenzhen, then Shenzhen to Manila. But again, ang pinaka biggest challenge sa amin is yung connecting flight, which we're in dapat nasa boarding gate na kami by 10 p.m. Ngayon, ang estimated time of arrival namin sa sa Shenzhen will be 9:45. So paano yun? 15 minutes. Anong nangyayari doon? So that is the challenge right now na kailangan nating harapin. But ang good news is that unlike sa Manila, if na-delay yung flight mo, sorry, you just have to wait and that's it. So kailangan natin na mahabang pasensya at pag-unawa sa airline. But here, they serve us meals. So papakita ko sa inyo.
So here is the food na sinerve nila sa amin for the 2 hours delay flight. So here juice tapos isang sets of meal. Ayan. Diba? Hindi tinipid. So that's good. Thank you.
Boarding our flight from Shanghai to Shenzhen. Usually, around 2 to 3 hours lang yung flight. So, medyo quick trip lang siya. But honestly, ang daming memories na iiwan namin dito. From city views, food trips, hanggang sa adventures like Shanghai Disneyland and Wuxi. Sobrang unforgettable na experience. Nakaka-nostalgic agad kahit paalis pa lang kami.
This will be our in-flight meals. We have this set. This one is yogurt, bread, tissue, then spoon and fork. And this one is a biscuits. We have chicken rice. Thank you.
Guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Shenzhen and currently in transit na kami papunta sa boarding gate for our Manila flight. Quick apology lang, hindi ko na kayo matour around the airport kasi we only have 1 hour and 15 minutes before departure. Medyo tight yung connection namin. So guys, before we end this trip, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video para mas marami pa tayong travel content soon. And follow me on my socials like TikTok for quick travel tips, Facebook for updates and full albums, and Instagram for aesthetic shots and reels.
So we're going home na. We're going back to Manila. Manila.
So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.